meaning of time in the world map in which any country centralized. The meaning of time is very important because of the revolution of the Earth, which the Earth turns around the sun at 23 tilted, and then at the same way and turning around. Now on 25th October, and it means already about 30 days passing to the winter solstice. In Korea, and time zone, daytime zone is about 2 minutes, and it means 1 hour already passing from daytime to nighttime. On 22nd September, we have autumn um, equinox. Autumn equinox we have. So, and autumn equinox have almost the daytime and nighttime same. It means 12 hours daytime and 12 hours nighttime. Let's see, 1 hour already go to the night. Then means 11 hours daytime and 13 hours nighttime. We should know about that the daytime difference from latitude, and then it's very dynamically and changes. It looks like trigonometry. The superior trigonometry is goes because from the equator to the Arctic pole, and then we go circle. The latitude circle, it goes to the same, and then we have in Korea 36 degree or to 37 degrees, and then and we go. But how about to 60 or 70 degrees? And the daytime difference, and then more than 5 minutes, 6 minutes. It means if we have for example, the 70 latitude area and 6 minute difference, it means already the change is 3 hours. It means 3 hours go to the nighttime, and then and go for 12 hours, 3 hours, 9 hour daytime, and 15 hours nighttime. It means extremely cold, getting cold. We can call the um, night day, uh-uh, black day. We call a white night, and then the other meaning is black day. Black day is which means the Arctic area totally black. It means 24 hours nighttime. And so extremely cold. And already I've been seeing the uh, early October, I could see the uh, migratory birds, Chinese geese, flying to the south. So and then uh, it is about the time. Now I'm 6:16. 6:16 is still very, very, very dark, still not dawn. So, and then I realized that, oh, it's in summertime, in this time, it's already white, and then already daytime. So, and then it changes rapidly. So we go for autumn to winter, winter to spring, spring to summer, summer to autumn, and then we go 4 seasons. But the tropical area is no 4 seasons, only a dry season or rainy season. And knowing about the latitudinal cycle with the spherical trigonometry makes understand the um, climate or the daytime, how it affect the weather and changing the time. Knowing about this is a very easy way to understand about it. Okay, I'll check out these contents with the AI. And let's see. In English, my content show daytime difference uh, from latitude area with the trigonometry, spherical trigonometry after proof reading with it. This is my project as well, the centralized world map, and knowing about the spherical trigonometry. Yeah, let's see. These understand make this, and then whatever I told, and then AI summarize a little bit based in my content. Translate into Korean and Vietnamese above. Now I can copy this only English version, and then same way and go KMap. Understanding daytime difference by latitude with the spherical trigonometry. The concept of time on the world map, depending on which country you center it, it deeply connected to the rotation revolution of all the Earth. The Earth rotates once every 24 hours and revolves around the sun once every year due to the angle of about 23.5 degree. This tilt is what causes the season and difference in daytime lengths of those latitude, meaning of time and Earth motion. As the Earth turns around the sun, the direction of sunlight changes gradually every day. For example, on October 25th, and about 30 days have passed since the autumn equinox around September 22nd. From that day forward, in Korea, the time becomes shorter by about 20 minutes per day. In other words, and for every 30 days, roughly 1 hour of daylight is lost, and the light becomes longer, showing that we are moving closer to the winter solstice and then the equinox and the solstice. At the autumn equinox, daytime and night times are nearly full, about 12 hours each everywhere on Earth. But as we move toward the winter, the tilt of Earth's poles, the northern hemisphere, due to less sunlight. That's why the daytime shortened to 11 hours, then 10, and finally about 9 hours in winter in Korea, while the nights grow longer. Latitude 8 daytime difference. The difference in daylight depends strongly less. If you look at it geometrically, it follows pattern similar to the trigonometric curve. The farther you move from the equator to the Arctic, the greater difference between day and night. For example, at 36, like in Korea, the change in daylight is noticeable but moderate. At 60 or 70 Arctic degree, and then the difference becomes dramatic. Sometimes daylight changes by 5 to 6 minutes per day, which means over time it can result in 3 more hours. So difference between day and night within season at around 70 degree. Latitude winter days may last only 9 hours, while nights can last 15 hours, creating long cold periods. At the Arctic Circle, 90 degrees, and then duration certain times of the year, the sun doesn't rise at all, called the polar night, or doesn't set called the white night and midnight sun. Observation and seasonal change. Even by early October, you might notice the signs of changing seasons, such as migratory birds flying south from northern China in mid-autumn. The sunrise time in Korea may already around 6:15 a.m., while in summer it can be bright much earlier. These daily and the seasonal changes are all results of Earth's elliptic rotation, forming the natural cycle of the four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter, and back to spring. And in contrast, the tropical region near the equator doesn't experience both clear season. Instead, they usually have just two: a rainy season, a dry season, because the sunlight angle changes very little through the year. Trigonometry and climate understanding. By applying spherical trigonometry, we can visualize how the sun's rays strike different at different angles. This mathematical understanding helps explain why days are longer or shorter depending on where you are, how the solar angle affects temperature and climate, and how time zones are connected to Earth's rotation. Knowing about the latitude circle uh, its trigonometrical relationship help us better understand global time, climate change, and seasonal pattern, reminding us that all life on Earth is synchronized with the motion of our planet around the sun. Okay.